Imagine turning your simple Chromecast into a powerful IPTV streaming device. Are you wondering how? Picture this: a world of endless entertainment possibilities with IPTV streaming right on your TV screen. The future of television viewing is seamless integration of IPTV with Chromecast. But how does it work? Before diving into installation, let's understand Chromecast's capability to stream IPTV channels effectively. You'll need a trustworthy IPTV provider like 2TV.store for the best quality channels and minimal interruptions. Chromecast connects to your TV via HDMI, opening up various streaming options through IPTV apps seamlessly. Ensure your internet connection is stable for smooth playback, as fluctuations can impact streaming performance. Next, install an IPTV app on your mobile or tablet to manage channels with ease using Chromecast. Link your IPTV subscription from 2TV.store with your app account to explore channel offerings. Cast channels directly from your app to Chromecast, transforming your TV into a powerful stream hub. Wondering about the quality? Chromecast supports high-definition streaming for crystal-clear visuals. Optimize settings for the best experience, adjusting resolution based on your internet speed and activity. Having mastered IPTV on Chromecast, access TV shows, sports, news, and movies instantly and effortlessly. Integrating IPTV and Chromecast creates a powerhouse of entertainment, ideal for any viewer's preferences. Want top performance? Visit 2TV.store for a reliable IPTV service that offers incredible streaming value. With Chromecast and IPTV, redefine your home entertainment experience and never miss a favorite show again.